Hello everyone, welcome to another very special vlog by Lifehacks, and today's vlog is festival special because today we are going to share with you some glimpse of the amazing and graceful Bipodtarini Pujo of Bengal. Vipad means calamities and Tarana means to protect or to save. So, Bipodtarini is the goddess who is believed to protect devotees from dangers and calamities. Goddess Bipodtarini is actually Goddess Durga. This can be confirmed from the puja mantras as well as Shankalpa mantra. Bipodtarini is a Hindu goddess worshipped in Bengal, Odisha and surrounding areas. It is considered as one of the 108 avatars of goddess Durga. Ma Bipodtarini is prayed for help in overcoming troubles. Puja includes many rituals like fasting observed by majority of the women on the day of puja. Tying of red colored taga on the wrist is a very significant custom. Taga is a red thread which is made sacred through various rituals on the event of puja. We use 13 types of flowers, 13 types of fruits, 13 types of sweet, and we use noiveddo. 13 pan pata and suparis are also used. Rice, dal, vegetables and dakshina, 13 puri are used as bhog. There is also a restriction in the food intake that we are not allowed to consume rice or any product of rice, and women are supposed to wear alta and shindur. For us, the puja is very special because our family reunites on this occasion to celebrate this puja. This puja connects us. It helps us to gather under a single roof and spend time with each other. Although because of COVID, many of us couldn't attend this puja this time. The selfless prayer of all the women here creates an aura of dedication and purity. If you smell the air around this place, a positive vibration will embrace you. Let us pray to Ma Bipodtarini to heal this world, to make this world a better place again. Let us end hatred and anger and let humanity win. Durga Ma is a symbol of power, epitome of strength. Every woman in this country has a Ma Durga hidden inside their heart. All they got to do is to find out their inner strength and power. Let us be strong. Let us fight all our difficulties with solidity. Be powerful. Let the Durga inside you win.
Hello everyone. Today we have accommodated in Matridham, Purulia to celebrate Bipodtarini Puja. Bipodtarini is one of the avatars of Matarani. She is the epitome of power, wisdom and strength. Every year in this day we come all across India. The entire family reunites. It is almost a family reunion. People all across India come to celebrate Bipodtarini Puja in Purulia. Since we are going through very difficult times this year, the entire family could not reunite. However, people all across from Asansol, Durgapur and Kolkata has come here. And with Matarani's blessings, I hope we will be able to overcome these difficult times and we will definitely become winners out here. Thank you.
Happy Bipodtarini Puja. We come to Mahabali every year. Bipodtarini Puja.
Why are you praying to Ma Bipodtarini?
Ma Bipodtarini will fulfill my wishes.
And what are your wishes?
I will tell Ma Bipodtarini only. We enjoy very much in Bipodtarini Puja. We play with our siblings in Bipodtarini Puja.
So that that was a little glimpse of the decade-long custom of Bipottarini Pujo at our home. Many of you couldn't come home this year because of COVID pandemic. We hope this vlog will give you a homely picture of Bipottarini Puja and fill your heart with lots of happiness. So please don't hesitate to share this happiness by sharing this video with your friends and family. And please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.